I'm going to be reading the MOR entitled Lake Oroville Relicensing Project. Over the summer and fall of 2002, the California Department of Water Resources, DWR, conducted a survey of the Lake Oroville area. Teams of archaeologists and historians covered almost 20 square miles, looking for important historical sites on the property. The local tribal communities of Berry Creek, Moortown, and Enterprise were also involved in this survey. The teams wanted to get an idea of how many sites were on the property, and which ones were affected by the dam. This process is part of the relicensing of the dam. In the more than 40,000 acres surrounding Lake Oroville, 692 sites of historical or prehistoric importance were located. Along the Feather River, gold mining has been an important part of the economy since the gold rush. Hydraulic and ground sluice mining operations left scars on the landscape. Dredging was introduced in 1898 and resulted in large fields of cobble tailings later used in construction of Oroville Dam. After the 1850s, most people were working in enterprises other than mining. These included logging, farming, and ranching, and commercial businesses. The Lake Oroville landscape holds traces of kilns and quarries from the lime industry. Many reminders of railroads used for logging can also be found. The remains of entire community homes and public buildings were covered by the lake and are now lost to historians. At 770 feet high, the Oroville Dam is the highest earth-filled dam in the United States. Although the dam itself is less than 50 years old, it qualifies as historically significant. The dam is eligible for listing on the National Register of Historic Places. Historical research on the dam and its history is still being conducted by the California State Archives.